Hi, my name is Shravani Sasane. I am a postgraduate student here at Flame, and my idea basically is a sensitivity training consultancy service for professors, faculty, staff at institutions, as well as student workshops in the same area of LGBTQ sensitivity building, basically. And what inspired my idea is basically I have like a close personal connection with the LGBTQ community because I come from a sociology background, so I've conducted extensive research about it, and that basically inspired this idea to help make educational institutions and then corporates a more inclusive space for them. I feel like because I was from an arts background also, it was a little difficult for me to understand the business side of all of this. So with the incubation program, that really helped in providing me with a structure, then like the basics of how to translate this into a profitable startup that can fund itself. So that is where the incubation program helped me in refining that idea. In the beginning, I think I was going more for like recruitment of LGBTQ individuals, but then the incubation program helped me understand that the best way to help LGBTQ individuals was through sensitivity trainings instead. So it helped me like pivot my startup ideas. So I felt like there was also challenges that I experienced in the logistics of it. So with the incubation program, since it has such a theoretical perspective as well, and practical perspective, where we're doing our market research ourselves, it really helped in overcoming all of that. I think that the most impactful part of this program was basically also the peer relationships around me, because I was exposed a lot to a lot of people who have a lot of great startup ideas. So from listening to what they're planning on doing, on how they're planning on doing it, it really influenced the way I thought as well. So that was the most memorable part of my experience. Idea refinement basically was like a very creative sort of workshop that we had with Vishal sir, where we really were able to dissect our idea. And because it was like I think 14 people, or it was a limited amount of people, so we were all able to do it together. And that was very helpful. Then customer segmentation was basically identifying our key customers. In my case, it was pretty easy because I knew what my target audience was from the beginning. That's basically what it is, target market, stuff like that. Then after that, we had our market research analysis workshops, where we learned how to conduct an analysis of research, and we also had MVP designing, which is our minimum viable product. It's basically having like a sample prototype ready for investors or people who are interested to see what basically our service or product is about. My advice to student entrepreneurs looking to join Flame would be that you have to be able to manage your time properly. Since it's a huge commitment to be working on a startup, you need to make sure that you find a cause that you're very dedicated about. And you have to manage your academics as well as the startup. So just find something they're very passionate in, and I think that would be my advice. When I was pitching my product, I think I was really nervous, so I'm usually much more confident. But when it comes to something that you've worked on for such a long time, it's sometimes a little nerve-wracking to talk about it. So I think that's what happened a little bit, but otherwise it went really well. He asked me a lot of questions and I was able to answer them very well, and it was a very interesting dialogue that happened. I also got some feedback about my presentation style as well, which they liked, but I think my presentation was a little too wordy. So he helped not only with the startup idea and the product idea, but also with my presentation skills.